was India ever ready for indigenization and in avionics at that point?
The idea was that let's try something that's tough.
The rising power of the graph of Bharat today. Technology, business acumen, marketing, I think a wonderful combination. I think really welcome. I think we in Bharat should be really happy for people like you, with people like you.
And you mentioned that the encouragement and incentives not only from the government, but you said end users also. What do you mean by that?
So like for example, sir would have definitely experienced that in the forces. Would be that today I start off with a certain specification of this project. It has to meet so and so specification. Then after 3 months or 4 months of trial, then the specification suddenly is changed. So the goalpost keeps changing. It has happened to us on one project we developed for the mech infantry. We developed one version, suddenly the specs changed. Then we developed the next. Now finally, after achieving 92% compliance on the specifications also, orders are not being released because it has taken so long that the technology has become obsolete now. It has taken 5 years for us to do all this. And now that the relevancy of the platform on which this system is supposed to be mounted, the platform itself has become irrelevant.
Terrible. And this is happening because?
See, the major problem with defense industry in India is this.
Well, this is the forces itself, the Indian Army, I'm supposing.
Yeah. See, what happens is any item of defense, from concept to, from concept, then you go to a prototype, then you do the testing and all that, and the gestation period is quite long. And the amount of the money involved is very heavy.
But that's where they're investing.
Yeah. No. See, it is possible for him to invest, provided he is assured that this time, if it passes, next time he will get the order.
That's correct.
Yes.
Now, unfortunately, what happens is, he has spent, say, 10 crores or 15 crores in developing a product. He managed to get the first order. The next time the tender is floated, somebody will quote 10 rupees less, and it will go to him.
Yes.
So all that he has got is wasted. And the other guy, we know, cannot produce it because he has no experience in that at all. But the fact that he has quoted 10 rupees less, his order goes to him. He will not supply the store, and the armed forces are without that particular store.
Why do they change specifications along the way? And by the time finally it's come,
many times it does happen. See, we have to consider that our friends on either side of the border are also procuring the latest possible equipment, and we have to see, what is the state of our equipment? Can it stand against his equipment tomorrow?
So instead of looking for a perfect solution, like I always said while running my business, please don't make perfect the enemy of good enough.
That's true.
What is good enough, procure, roll it out, use it while you look for next version. So we have to be fast as well in our procurement. Be willing to waste some money, even if it's wasted. I mean, nothing's wasted.
Now, if we say US is going for F-35, they already must be working on F-40. And the amount which the research work, billions which are spent, is spent by the Defense Department. It is given to Hawker and Sidley. It is given to these guys
So
for doing the research.
For research is also paid. Nobody pays for research.